Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, where we review the best home accessories on the market today. We're diving into a must-have for any stylish home, curtain holdbacks. Specifically, we're looking at the curtain holdbacks. 4PC's curtains holder wall-mounted drapery tiebacks retro window hook for home decor, matte black. These holdbacks from Gobutend are not just practical, they're a statement piece for your windows. Made from durable aluminum alloy with a polished black electroplated finish. They're designed to resist corrosion, wear, and maintain their elegant gloss for years. Let's talk installation. Each set comes with everything you need: 4 curtain hooks, screws, and anchors. The process is straightforward. Simply mount them on your wall to hold back your curtains with ease. What I love about these holdbacks is their versatility. They're not just functional, they're a perfect blend of retro design and modern durability. They add a touch of elegance to any room, whether it's your living space, dining room, or bedroom. Speaking of which, these holdbacks have received rave reviews on Amazon. Customers love how easy they are to use and install, with many praising their sturdiness and stylish appearance. Whether you're hanging curtains, coats, or even hats, these holdbacks are designed to be your go-to solution. They're backed by a 5-year guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your home's decor with functional elegance, these curtain holdbacks from Gobutend are your best bet. They combine durability, ease of use, and a timeless design that complements any interior style. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know if you've tried these holdbacks or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep refining your space with the best products out there.